Hello kids, in this video you are going to study page number 5 and 9 of your map book. The topics which are included in this video are directions, capital of India, Tropic of Cancer, few cities located near Tropic of Cancer and Union Territories. Let's start with directions. Oh, look at the child. He is confused as he doesn't know to which direction he has to move. Kids, if we don't know directions, it becomes difficult to reach the place. So, let's know different directions. Kids, this is sun and we know that sun rises in the east. When we face towards rising sun, we are facing east and behind is west. To our right is south and towards left is north. Now let's know directions to locate on the map. At the top, north direction is there. At the bottom, south. At the right side, east, and on the left side, west. North, south, east, and west. These are 4 major directions. Now, let's know about subdirections. As I told you kids, this is north and this is east. So, in between this place, it will be northeast. In the same way, this is east and this is south. So, middle of it will be southeast. Here at the bottom it is south and this is west. So, this middle part will be southwest. This is north and this is west. So, this part will be northwest. So, through this we come to know that there are 4 major directions: north, south, east and west, and there are 4 subdirections also: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Kids, do you know? We can recognize directions through magnetic compass also. A compass is a device that shows directions used for navigation. This is a magnetic compass. It is mainly used in ships for navigation. Now, let's know about capital of India. Yes, our country is India. And do you know kids, what is the capital of India? It is New Delhi. Now we will locate New Delhi. So this is Uttar Pradesh and this is Haryana. And between them is here New Delhi. Now kids, let's know something about Tropic of Cancer. So, through a poem, let's know what is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line, imaginary line, imaginary line. Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line which is on 23.5 degrees. It divides India into two parts. It's divide India into two parts as it passes through middle of India. It is passes through middle of India. In India it passes through 8 states. 8 states. 8 states. In India it passes through 8 states. Now let's know their names. Now let's know their names. It passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Then passes through Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. After that, Tripura and Mizoram, Tripura and Mizoram, Tripura and Mizoram. After that, Tripura and Mizoram, la 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 la. So kids, it become very easy through the rhyme to know about Tropic of Cancer. So as I told you that Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line and which passes through India, and it cuts India into two parts, and it passes through 8 states in India. Let's know their name again. First is Gujarat, second is Rajasthan, third is Madhya Pradesh, fourth is Chhattisgarh, fifth is Jharkhand, sixth is West Bengal, seventh is Tripura, and eighth one is Mizoram. Now kids, we'll locate few cities near Tropic of Cancer. There are many cities which are located near Tropic of Cancer, but here we locate only 4 of them. Gandhinagar, which is the capital of Gujarat. It is located near to Tropic of Cancer. After that, Bhopal, which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is also located near to Tropic of Cancer. Then is Ranchi. If you will look at Ranchi, it is very close to Tropic of Cancer. And then is Aizawl. Union territories. Now kids, let's know about Indian Union territories. Kids, do you know what do you mean by union territories? A union territory is a small administrative unit that is ruled by the union. The union territories are administered and controlled directly by the central government of India. Now let's know how many union territories are there in India. I'll explain you this through a trick. So let's start the trick. चलो दिल दे दो आप J&K and Ladakh को. Ch means Chandigarh, Lo stands for Lakshadweep, Dil for Delhi, De Do for Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, A stands for Andaman and Nicobar, Pa Puducherry, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, and last one is Ladakh. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It means there are total 8 union territories in India. Now let's locate them. Ladakh, J&K, Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman Diu, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So kids, I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you.